Hello everyone, it's Hanny with a little vlog. I've been to the thrift store yesterday and well, I thought I show you what I bought for 10 bucks 50, 10 euro 50 I should say. I go upstairs now and well, I will show you. So I'll show you what I bought. I bought some wallpaper. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Beautiful flowers, colors. And I bought this fabric. I don't know how big it is, but I liked it too. I think, well, I can do a lot with that. So that's what I bought. And books. This. And I don't know how you call those thingies, but I call them split pennon. Love these. And this little book from La Fontaine with beautiful little pictures in it. I love it. So I could use them in my journals. And another book, little book with flowers in it. I can fussy cut or do the pages in a journal. Love that. Wonderful. Butterflies, yippee! I love this book. There's one thingy though. They have, well, this is a whole butterfly, but they have put the wings out. You see what I mean? Well, I can fussy cut them and then glue the wing on again. Well, I'll try. I love this little book with butterflies. There are whole butterflies in it. Would you see? Well, I will fix that. I love this. Can't get very well, you can get a few books with butterflies here. I never find them, so I'm very glad I found one. So glad with that. I'm happy with that. This is a Norwegian book I found here in the thrift store. No, this is, yeah, it's from Norwegian, but it's, oh, it's in different languages, I see. It's in Norwegian, English, French and German, not in Dutch. Well, I don't care really. I like to have some text in different languages. Love that. And the pictures. I love the pictures of trolls, and I love trolls. I have a journal. Well, I started that journal 6 years ago, something like that. Well, I couldn't find many or pictures to go in it, to put in it. So I'm happy with that one. Oh yeah, and this book, I love this book. This is a book, or Leonard de Vries. He gathered some, well, I think they're copyright-free pictures. All kinds of pictures and text, and love it. All vintage in a new book, okay, but I love them anyway. I don't use many digitals. I always use mostly I use true pictures, true pages from books. Oh yeah, and this book, well, it was 50 cents with birdies. I have one already, but I like this. These are glued in pictures, so I can cut them out again. You see, can get them out again, and then I have beautiful pictures of birds. So that's this. get this away. And I bought some Christmas stuff. And I'll tell you why. Yeah, because it's Christmas, of course, but I will get it. Here it is. On my way up, I broke the little birdie. His tail is gone. So, well, I liked it so much. It's vintage stuff. Well, I had this little birdie. Well, I will do something with it. The bowls wanted to fall on the floor, so I grabbed the balls, and then the little birdie fell on the floor and his tail is gone. Well, I'll fix it somehow. I don't know how. And I got these pretty balls and this plastic thingy and this beautiful book. Well, I can use the inside, of course, with pictures or something like that, with drawings and music. But what I want to do, oh yeah, and I bought this little one. It's a Christmas Carol of Charles Dickens. I liked it. What I'm going to do, or trying to make, is a, yeah, how do you call that? Well, a little scene, Christmas scene, with a few books and a few balls, Christmas balls, and the little birdie and this, and I have more stuff. And I want a little scene, make a little scene and put that somewhere. Don't know how to do it yet, but when I'm ready to make it, well, I will make a video of it. Oops, there goes a ball. They are round, so they will roll away. And maybe I show you how I fix the little birdie, if I succeed. Well, that's it. Very short vlog. How do you call something like that? A hole? A howl? Howl. Well, I'm not sure. I just show you what I bought. That's the way I call it. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.